Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to print at FedEx in 2025. Whether you're a busy student rushing to print an assignment, a professional needing documents on the fly, or just someone without a printer at home, FedEx has streamlined the process with cutting-edge tech. By 2025, their services are even more efficient, thanks to AI-powered options and seamless mobile integration. Let's jump right in. First things first, prepare your document. Make sure it's saved as a PDF or another compatible file on your phone, tablet, or laptop. Head over to the FedEx website or app. It's totally user-friendly now. Upload your file directly from there, and you'll see options for paper type, color, size, and even eco-friendly settings to reduce waste. Next, locate your nearest FedEx store using the app's GPS feature. Once you're there, use the self-service kiosks that are equipped with touchscreens and facial recognition for quick access. Select your uploaded file from your account, preview it to avoid any surprises, and customize your print job. Pro tip: if you're in a hurry, opt for express printing, which uses high-speed AI-optimized printers. After confirming your order, proceed to payment. In 2025, FedEx supports contactless options like mobile wallets, biometrics, or even cryptocurrency for added convenience. Once paid, your prints will be ready in minutes. Just grab them from the designated pickup area. It's all automated. One more thing. If you run into any issues, like file compatibility, the in-store assistants are there to help, or use the app's chat support for real-time guidance. And remember, always check for promotions to save some cash. There you have it. That's how you print at FedEx in 2025. It's quick, easy, and tech-savvy. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more life hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.